Welcome to Business Training Media. In today's video, we're diving into 10 effective public speaking tips and techniques to improve confidence and effectiveness when delivering presentations. Public speaking is more than just a skill. It's a powerful tool that can elevate your career, enhance your leadership abilities, and foster stronger connections with others. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more expert insights and tips for managing your workplace effectively. Let's get started. Public speaking is an essential skill in both professional and personal life. Whether you're addressing a boardroom, teaching a class, or giving a toast at a wedding, the ability to communicate clearly and confidently is crucial. However, many people experience anxiety or fear when faced with speaking in front of an audience. This video provides practical tips and techniques to help you improve your confidence and effectiveness in delivering presentations. With that said, let's review our 10 tips for improving your public speaking and presentation skills. Number 1, understand your audience. One of the most important aspects of public speaking is understanding your audience. Tailoring your message to their interests, level of knowledge, and expectations will make your presentation more relevant and engaging. Research your audience. Before your presentation, gather information about your audience's demographics, interests, and level of expertise on the topic. This will help you choose the right tone, language, and content. Engage with your audience. Use questions, polls, or direct interaction to involve your audience in your presentation. This not only keeps them engaged, but also helps you gauge their understanding and interest. Number 2, practice, practice, practice. Rehearsing your presentation is key to building confidence and ensuring a smooth delivery. The more familiar you are with your material, the less likely you are to be thrown off by nerves or unexpected situations. Rehearse out loud. Practice your presentation multiple times, speaking out loud as you would during the actual event. This helps you get comfortable with the flow of your speech and identify any areas that need improvement. Record your rehearsals to identify areas where you can improve your tone, pacing, or body language. Watching yourself can provide valuable insights into how you appear to others. Simulate the environment. Practice in the same or a similar environment to where you'll be presenting. This helps you become familiar with the space and reduces anxiety on the day of the event. Number 3, develop a strong opening and closing. The beginning and end of your presentation are crucial for making a lasting impression. A strong opening grabs your audience's attention, while a compelling closing reinforces your message. Start with a hook. Begin with an interesting fact, a thought-provoking question, or a powerful quote to capture your audience's attention right away. Summarize. Key points. In your closing, summarize the main points of your presentation to reinforce the message and leave a lasting impression. End with a call to action. If applicable, conclude your presentation with a clear call to action, encouraging your audience to take the next step. Number 4, master your body language. Nonverbal communication is a significant component of public speaking. Your body language can either enhance your message or distract from it. Maintain eye contact. Establishing eye contact with your audience helps build trust and keeps them engaged. Aim to make eye contact with different people throughout the room. Use gestures purposefully. Hand gestures can emphasize important points but avoid overdoing them. Practice using natural, purposeful gestures that complement your words. Stand confidently. Your posture should convey confidence. Stand tall with your shoulders back and your weight evenly distributed. Avoid crossing your arms or pacing nervously. Number 5, control your voice. Your voice is a powerful tool in public speaking. The way you use it can greatly affect how your message is received. Vary your tone. Avoid speaking in a monotone voice. Use changes in pitch, volume, and pace to maintain interest and emphasize key points. Pause for effect. Strategic pauses can be very effective in allowing your audience to absorb important information. They also give you a moment to collect your thoughts. Breathe properly. Deep, controlled breathing helps calm your nerves and ensures you project your voice clearly. Practice diaphragmatic breathing to support your voice and reduce anxiety. Number 6. Manage presentation anxiety. Even seasoned speakers experience nerves. The key is to manage anxiety so it doesn't interfere with your performance. Prepare thoroughly. Knowing your material inside and out is one of the best ways to reduce anxiety. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel. Visualize success. Before your presentation, visualize yourself speaking confidently and effectively. Positive visualization can boost your self-confidence and reduce nervousness. Use relaxation techniques. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation before your presentation to calm your mind and body. Number 7. Adapt to the audience's feedback. During your presentation, be attentive to your audience's reactions. Adjusting your delivery based on their feedback can improve your effectiveness. Read the room. Pay attention to your audience's body language, facial expressions, and level of engagement. If they seem bored or confused, adjust your pace, tone, or content to re-engage them. Be flexible. If you sense that your message isn't resonating, don't be afraid to deviate from your script. Address the audience's concerns or questions in real time to keep them engaged. Number 8. Use visual aids effectively. Visual aids can enhance your presentation by illustrating key points and keeping your audience engaged. However, visual aids should support your message, not overshadow it. Keep it simple. Use slides or visuals to highlight main points, but avoid overcrowding them with text or complex graphics. Simplicity ensures your audience can easily grasp the information. Practice with your visuals. Make sure you're familiar with how to operate any equipment and practice timing your speech with your visuals. This helps prevent technical difficulties, ensuring that all systems run smoothly and that the presentation proceeds without interruptions, allowing for a more seamless and professional experience for both the presenter and the audience. Don't rely solely on visuals. While visual aids are helpful, your spoken words should be the primary mode of communication. Make sure your presentation can stand on its own without them. Number 9. Handle Q&A sessions with confidence. A question and answer session can be one of the most challenging parts of a presentation. However, handling it well can leave a strong positive impression. Prepare for common questions. Anticipate the questions your audience might ask and prepare clear, concise answers. This will help you respond confidently and promptly. Listen carefully. When asked a question, listen carefully and ensure you understand it before responding. If necessary, ask for clarification. Stay calm under pressure. If faced with a difficult question, stay calm and composed. If you don't know the answer, it's okay to admit it and offer to follow up later. Number 10. Seek feedback and continuous improvement. Public speaking is a skill that can always be improved. Seeking feedback from others and reflecting on your performance will help you grow as a speaker. Ask for constructive feedback. After your presentation, ask trusted colleagues or mentors for their honest feedback. Use their insights to identify areas for improvement. Reflect on your experience. After each presentation, take some time to reflect on what went well and what could have been better. Continuous self-evaluation will help you hone your presentation skills over time. Keep practicing. Just like any other skill, public speaking requires consistent practice to improve your speaking abilities. Look for opportunities to speak in front of an audience, whether in formal presentations, meetings, or casual settings. Take your public speaking skills to the next level. Don't miss the opportunity to explore top-rated online public speaking courses on Business Training Media's website by clicking the link in the description below. These courses are designed by industry experts to help you master the art of communication, whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your existing skills. From overcoming stage fright to delivering powerful presentations, these courses offer practical techniques and personalized feedback that will boost your confidence and effectiveness. Don't wait. Unlock your potential and become the speaker you've always wanted to be by enrolling today. Remember, public speaking is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. The more you practice, the more confident and skilled you will become. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your network. Also, sign up for our free newsletter in the description below for more career development and workplace management tips, insights, and free courses. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.